So this morning we're going to continue reading our poetry book, A Place to Start a Family. So yesterday we read about a couple, so let's read some more this morning. Builders in water. The three-spine stickleback fish. Miss Stickleback, see my nest? See, it's better than the rest. See the tunnel? See the mound? See, I made it nice and round. The best nest that's ever been. Please, Miss Stickleback, swim in. Now, who do you think was the speaker of this poem? Who do you think was the one talking to us in this poem? Yeah, I think it was one of these fish. And I think it was the boy fish because he's talking to the girl. He's saying Miss Stickleback. So this boy fish built this nest and he is talking to her. Beaver. My fortress walls are strong and thick, with tree limbs cut by gnawing teeth. I fashion chambers stick by stick to keep my babies safe beneath. So who is the speaker of this poem? Is it some third person point of view from an unknown person that's not relevant in this story? Or is it first person, one of the characters? Yeah, I think it's first person, one of these beavers here. My sturdy dam creates a lake, so when my enemies arrive, I hit the water wide awake. Sound a warning, slap, and dive. The white-spotted pufferfish. Tiny sculpture thinks grand, builds a nest out of sand. 40 times his own size, trying to attract a prize. With tail and fin, hoping he will soon charm a willing she, he works hard day and night. Will he win a mate? He might. Builders in air. The red oven bird. How do you hide your nest like that? Protect your chicks inside like that? How do you know to weave like that? With grass and hair and leaves like that? Make it round with twigs like that. On the ground or limb like that. We're so glad you sing like that and make the forest ring like that. Now, do the birds literally sing? No, but they make sounds. The white stork. When high on chimney top you nest, legend tells us those who dwell within the house are surely blessed. What do they mean by the ones who dwell within the house are surely blessed? Dwell means like the ones who stay in the house, and they're saying they are blessed inside of there. How old your nest, no one can tell. You keep it in such good repair. Your ancestors placed it well. So what do they mean in that stanza? They're talking about the nest, but what are they saying about the nest? Yeah, they're saying like they're really good housekeepers. Like they keep a really good nest that they don't even know how old it is because they keep it repaired and they keep it strong. With sturdy sticks, they built it there, where you now cast your lucky spell and raise your baby storks with care. So we can infer that the storks reuse their nest over and over, and their babies might use that same nest and they take care of it. So they're kind of like us, like they build a house and they take care of it. They don't move around. The European paper wasp. Winged warriors worn with spear, concealed in rear. Stay clear! Create paper to form a shell where young can dwell within each cell. Work hard feeding grubs, heavy lugs of beetles, bugs. Hide their nest in shrub or tree. If you should see, let it be. So if you should see, let it be. So they're saying like you need to leave it there because it's a good spider and we want the good spiders to stay. All right. So that is the end of our A Place to Start a Family poem book. And we're going to read a different poem book on Thursday and Friday. So you can go on to the lesson and then work on your assignment.